Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. Back out here meeting my team out here at Mission, Kansas. This 4-step wall straightening process, plus an additional 3 piers on the east wall underneath the footing and the west wall. Total of 9 King Piers. Early Monday morning, we start early. We start at 7 a.m. There's the piers that are getting ready to go underneath the footing. They were welded last Friday right here on site. Getting everything laid out. Look how clean our job. What we did last week, you would think there'd be a big mess down here, but look how clean it is. We keep our job site very neat and clean. Morning, amigo.
Good morning.
Yeah, so now we'll get down. We got to go 13 inches below the footing. All that material is going to be hauled off. Same with this pier here. Same there. I believe it's the same all the way over. This hole over here, I believe, is done. Let's take a look. Yeah. That hole's ready for a plate and a pier. That's the only one ready. All the cracks in the wall will be repaired when we're done piering. And before we backfill on the outside of these walls, this one right here, the south wall, it's gonna all be waterproofed. And the southeast corner downspout will be buried to a pop-up valve. That's all part of the 4-step wall straightening process. Plus they'll get 2 new window wells. So that's what you get when you hire King Piers. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. Or you can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.